ugwu okike ji ike ọgbalị n'ime ya kụrụ ndị mbụ na ndị egede atụrụ ka enwere ọgba ndị bi ya pụtakwa ya n'azụ mana nekwa mmanya Amadioha ekene m gị mgba na ekele kụrụ ome mmụọ mehu ugwu duru ha jebe duru ha bata maka na a sị na uchu ada ama mma ekwu ha tụtụjukwa akpa ha lisi ha batakwa ọzọ duru ha jee udo dịrị unu okwu mmụọ ka m kwuru otu a ka ọ dị.
My sons,
Father,
the gods of our land shall take you safely to your destination, be with you, and then bring you all back safely to me. All right.
Thank you, Dad. It's all right. We're going to miss you.
I'm already missing you guys already. All right, God, get the door. Quick.
Bye, Dad.
Are they still with the king?
Yes, my king.
Anyways, once they're done, let me know.
Alright, my king. Thank you.
Emenike. Emenike. What are you doing on my phone? Do you know the magnitude of what you're doing or what you've done? Do you?
Father, I was only sharing my love with the throne. Don't tell me the gods hate the magic of it.
Will you shut up and get out of that room? Get out from there. Hey, and you. You. Never again. Ever again. Am I clear? Now get out! Run out! Idiot! What kind of joke is this? What am I going to call this? The girl. Guards!
Yes, my king.
Guards! Quick! Get them all now. Yes, quick! A fresh one! Oh my God! What an abomination! The girl on my throne? My king, quick, open it. Open it. Now go, out, out! Go to my land. I call upon thee to please forgive my son. Forgive him for he knows not what he's done. I call upon thee once again. Forgive him. Forgive him. Cleanse the throne. Cleanse the throne. Cleanse the throne. God!
Yes, my king.
My queen, you look worried. Are you still bothered about the dream you told me about?
I have to be. My king, I have to be. Honestly, this particular dream keeps reoccurring.
Okay, very well then. So, tell me, tell me again. What's the dream all about? Say it.
My king.
Let me hear it.
My king. The last night on looks real. In this dream, I saw 3 animals. One looks like the father, the other female as the mother, and the little one that looks like their baby. As they were going along the bush side, all of a sudden, the one that looks like their baby grabbed the bigger one that looks like the father and killed the animal.
But wait a minute. Did you say the little one killed the father?
Oh yes. And before you know it, that same one that killed the father also was trying to climb on the female animal.
Yes, Papa.
Please, on your way back from the Ogbashipo forest, please enter and pluck me some ojikashi leaves. Eh?
Yes, Papa.
And remember, on your way out of the Ogbashipo forest, do not look back. Hmm?
Yes, Papa.
Guys, that's... Yes, hold on. I know it's your dad. Okay, there's something else. Oh. Oh, yeah. Yeah, sure.
Oh, really?
You're welcome. You're welcome. You cannot... I can go now. You're not free.
Okay, I can go now. Dad.
My sons. You're welcome, princess of the land.
Dad, we miss you so much.
Oh, I miss you guys more. Oh, look at you. I'm so proud of both of you. I got calls from distinguished people all over the world telling me about your good job. Jobs you did for the physically challenged and the less privileged people.
Yes.
Good job, good job. I'm very proud of both of you.
Thank you, Dad.
Very
Thank you, Dad.
proud of both
Thank you,
of
Dad.
you.
Thank you, Dad.
Thank
Thank you.
Come on, let's go. Let's go.
Yeah. Well, Dad, the truth is that we should be thanking you for the support you gave us.
That's very true, Dad.
Yes.
Very, very true. And I was going to ask, where's Emenike?
Emenike, let's go. We'll talk about it. Come on. Okay. You're missing, okay? Was it like this?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, my son. I am very proud of both of you. Look.
I'm coming. Look at me, you're fine. Let me take you. Where's your house?
Where did you spend the night? I thought I told you to stay behind to welcome your brothers returning back from overseas.
Oh yes, you said it, but I had something better to do.
Something better?
Yes.
Something better than staying behind to receive your brothers you've not seen in years?
It was actually a political meeting. Besides, my life does not revolve around my brothers, does it?
Really? Then, henceforth, I withdraw every privilege you enjoy in this house.
Why? And what did I do? Huh? Is it because I attended a political meeting where we were discussing the future of this kingdom? Or the fact that I did not stay back to welcome my brothers?
One, and again, for disrespecting and dishonoring to me, and trying to bring shame to this family.
not happy that a prince like me is admiring you. Are you not happy?
I'm not, my prince.
You're not happy. Go into my room.
I'm not, my prince.
You're not like that, you're drunk. You want to lose your job? Huh? Go in there, undress and wait for me. Go. What's going on? Well, we need to talk.
Talk?
Yes.
What about?
It's about that maid, Timmy. Father, I want you to fire her this minute.
Fire her? What did she do?
Father, she is very disrespectful.
Disrespectful? Timmy, disrespectful? It's unbelievable.
Father, are you saying I'm lying to you? Come on, you know me. You know how honest I am. I'm your most responsible son. Anything I tell you, that's how it is. She's disrespectful, so fire her right now. That's all.
All right. Hey, come back here. Sit down. Sit down. Guard. Call me to me.
Yes, Your Highness.
What did you do wrong to Prince Emenike that he wants you fired?
Please don't fire me, Your Highness. I love my job and I pledge total loyalty to your throne. Please.
I just asked you a question. And I'll ask you again. What did you do wrong to Prince Emenike that he wants you fired?
I did not. But okay. I will let him have his way as he wants. But please don't fire me. Please. Please.
What do you mean by let him have his way?
He has been harassing me sexually.
Father, it's a lie. Big lie. She's lying against me.
He's been harassing you sexually? For how long now?
The harassment has been for a while now.
Father, this is a big lie. Allow me to deal with this little girl. She's lying.
Leave my presence. Get out! Come here. I'm sorry for all he has been doing to you, all he has done to you, okay?
Thank you.
But I'm afraid you have to leave the palace.
It's Your Highness. Please. I have nowhere to go to. Please, you can't do this to me.
Timmy, it's for your own good. Because he
Highness.
will certainly come after you again. Maybe this time, very well.
Please. Please.
Just go. So it's best you leave the palace, okay? Don't worry. I'll take care of you. I'll send you money from time to time for your upkeep. Okay?
Thank you, Your Highness. Thank you.
Come. Please. Let me this stay between us.
Yes, Your Highness. Thank you.
Why can't you move into a better house where you stay? With all the money I give to you, what do you even do with the money? Like seriously, tell me the truth. What do you do with all the money? Women. You're not ashamed of yourself. Are you happy with your life? I think you love women more than I do, and it's wrong.
That's always been both of us. We are in this together.
You're not.
Hi, beautiful ladies. Why should beautiful damsels like you be walking under this hot sun for crying out loud? Eh? Just come with me and my friends. Let us treat you right.
Sorry, but we don't know you, but if you don't mind, we have an appointment to catch.
Easy. Take it easy. What appointment can be more important than spending time with the prince?
We are not interested. Wait a minute. Did I hear you say the prince? The prince of this land? What about your twin brothers? Huh?
What a cheap way of hating on a woman.
The prince of this land indeed. Why don't you try a better life next time?
See, my prince would...
See what I face all the time. Huh? See my predicament. I mean, why must I always play second fiddle to my brothers? Why? They're always in the spotlight. Then me, I'm the rejected one. Huh? I mean, imagine how these girls talk to me. Like I'm nothing. Why? No, tell me why. Is this not injustice? Why? Come to think of it, why can't I even be king of this land? Is there anything wrong with me? Why?
See, my prince, you can't still be king.
How?
My prince, you don't have to worry. All you have to do is eliminate your brothers, and you are next in line. Before you know it, all the good things of life, those women will bow down to you.
requested to see your mother and I.
Yes, Father.
Yes, Father. Father, myself and Prince Odeli.
Your brother. I always receive a lot.
Yes, Father. Myself and my brother, we have proposed, and they have accepted.
Oh, really? Wow. That's good news, isn't it? Ah, my sons, it will be well with you.
Yes, sir.
Nothing shall come in between you and your love.
Yes, sir.
Eventually get married, which I know will be sooner than later. You shall give us children and grandchildren.
Yes, sir.
I can't wait to have both of you as my daughters-in-law. Beautiful ladies, wow. I need sweet grandchildren from you both.
Yeah, but I want them very tall.
Just like my husband.
Father, how long have you been standing here? It doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter how long I've been here, son. What matters, son, is for how much more time are you going to continue like this? Or do you think Stacy is going to be happy with you wherever she is? If you must know, no, she won't. She gave her life for you, son. It was enough huge sacrifice she made. And the best thing you could do for her is to honor her by living a fulfilled life. That's all I have to say for now.
Thank you, Dad.
Isn't lovely? You both remind me so much of your late mother. May her gentle soul rest in perfect peace.
Amen. Father, we have good news for you.
Good news?
Yes, Father.
Go on, let me hear it.
We have fixed a date for our wedding.
Oh, that's wonderful. That's great news indeed. So tell me, when is the date?
30th June. That's 2 months from now.
Yes, 30th of June. It's okay. It's okay. It's all right. So we have to get preparation on the way immediately. That's all we do.
Thank you, Father.
Gentlemen, once again, you're welcome to the family.
Thank you so much, Your Highness.
You're welcome. Please, I'd like both of you to do me a favor.
What is this, Father?
Orderly. You have to try as much as possible to convince him to get over Stacy's death and move on. She's dead. She's dead and gone. He has to move on. Please.
Okay, Father. I'll do that.
Thank you. All right, I'll let both of you continue your love nest. All right.
Your Highness, giving them autonomy will bring about competition and problems in the nearest future. Let's not jeopardize our future.
What do you mean by that?
They are rich in natural and mineral resources. If we give them autonomy, they'll be richer, stronger, and more powerful. And who knows, we might end up being their slaves in the near future.
Now you have a point there.
I agree with you on all the points you've made. But we are in the 21st century, the central government controls all the natural resources. Besides, they have given 2 years ultimatum to all kingdoms to be autonomous.
No, I think I buy into what you just said. I agree with you absolutely. The federal government controls every resources, whether mineral or natural. So I think we should give them the autonomy they so deserve. So now we'll begin to facilitate the process immediately. Hmm? Well, my elders, in the absence of any other thing, I think we should adjourn until tomorrow.
Your Highness, there's something else. Your Highness, as we all know, you're aging. And our custom demands that we know who your successor will be before the king joins his ancestors. So please, Your Highness, can you tell us who the successor is going to be?
We all have every cause to be worried. But let's give our king some time. I believe in a short distance time, he will announce his successor.
What are these people up to? Do they want to make a mockery of me? If I present to Gona my first son, they will certainly kick against it because he's disabled and it's against our tradition. And that means the family will lose the throne. And it will also be a stab in the back if I present Ondele's twin brother. I will, in doing that, undermine my position about the disabled. What do I do? What do I do? I will present Ondele, and then let her talk to God now. That's what I'll do.
It's good you came. I was about coming to your place.
But honestly, if not for the rain, I would have been here earlier before now.
I hear he is going to announce his successor today.
Really? Anyway, I don't think he has any choice. After all, he's in a very tight corner. If he chooses Ugonna, of course we will all reject him. And if he makes the mistake of choosing Odin, of course the whole world will hear it. They will know how discriminatory he is. And he will lose credibility and
all the responsibilities he has. So?
Now, let's see how he is going to get out of this one. We will surely take that throne from his useless family.
Of course we are going to do that. Maziotti, please tell your son to start coming home immediately. Yes.
You don't have a problem with that. We just have to tell him to come home and take over the throne, and he will come with the next flight.
That is good. So can we now go and hear what that man that calls himself king, what he's going to tell us? Let's go. Do you have any umbrella in your house?
Umbrella?
Umbrella, yeah, it's raining. If you don't have any, come on, let's go. After all, it's not a hot water. It's not let's go. My elders in council, I'm very sure you'll be wondering why I have my 3 children here present in this meeting. Well, it is for a purpose. I want them to witness who amongst them I'm going to choose to succeed me when I eventually join my ancestors. Rightfully, traditionally, my son Ugonna should reign after me as king when I join my ancestors. But unfortunately, he has some health issues. He's physically challenged, as we all know. And as a custodian of our culture and tradition, I have decided that his brother, Odili, reign instead when I finally join my ancestors. Father, excuse me.
Father, this is not right.
Odili, you have no right whatsoever to challenge my decision. Whatsoever I say or pronouncement I make is law.
Father, I thought you endorsed equal right to the physically challenged. The fact that my brother Prince Ugonna is physically challenged does not mean he's incapacitated of discharging his duties as king. Father, what would the people say? I am not going to be part of this unjust cause. I'm out of this place.
Odili, come back here.
He is strong, he is powerful, he has the power to do and unknown. He is the prince, you must call him your lord, 'cause he can take your life in a snap. He is strong, he is powerful, he has the power to do and unknown. the prince. You must call him your Lord, 'cause he can take your life in a snap. He is strong, he is powerful, he has the power to do and undo. He is the prince.
Oh no. What have I done to deserve this kind of disgrace from my own children? My own children. What have I done?
You've done nothing wrong, Your Highness. Your only problem is that you are in a haste in telling the council, and that's your decision. You would have first spoken to your children before the council members.
But whatever I said cannot be reversed, because whatever proceeded out of my mouth is law and can't be reversed.
Your Highness, you can reverse it.
I can reverse it.
Elders, I greet you all.
Thank you.
My elders, my brothers, we can't sit here all day mourning. Huh? I mean, come on. You know, I know our father just passed away, but we need to move on, okay? The kingdom has to move on. I know that our late father, wherever he is, he will not be happy with us for sitting down here for hours doing nothing. We're not achieving anything. I know our late father very well. He's a man who believed that the kingdom must always progress, which is why in his infinite wisdom, he named me his successor, because he knows that I'm a go-getter. You guys will always sit back and do nothing. I'm the kind of person who will always achieve something. So let's not let the day waste. Let's achieve something. We can't mourn all day. That's my point.
Emenike, respect the dead. Respect the dead. Elders, with all due respect, the king is dead. And we, especially Emenike, should sacrifice a day to mourn the king.
Keep quiet. See, you can fool everybody here. You cannot fool me. I know the truth. You are the cause of father's death. In fact, you killed our father.
What? Emenike, how dare you point an accusing finger at me for father's death?
Saying the truth.
Will you shut up?
I will not shut up.
Are you crazy?
Yes, I am crazy.
Emenike,
I have
let me go.
You think I don't know? One neighbor, our father, man. You killed our father. I will expose you.
Emenike,
If you are our father, I will expose
No,
you.
please.
Let me expose this man. Yeah, I have proof.
Sit down. And you, Gonda, sit down. What nonsense is this? You two should have respect for the elders. Okay?
Calm down, my children. This is not the time to point accusing fingers to one another.
It's not that we have gotten what we need to be done. It's just that we are shocked by the passing away of our own king.
You're right. She should be laid to rest in 40 days, as tradition demands. All rights will be held away from the public until officially announced his death and funeral. I think that's all we have for now.
Yes, Gunnar. You and your brothers should put the house in order until the new king is appointed. Elders, have I spoken your mind?
So what are we going to do about it?
The truth of the matter is that we cannot blackmail a dead man. Neither can we stop Emenike from being the king. Wait. I think we can use this to our own advantage.
How?
Pretend as if we are supporting Emenike and cause confusion amongst the three brothers.
I think we'll have better chances if they're not united.
That's it. And we have to see Esikhia to support us.
Esikhia will not agree. I know him. Will not agree.
Mazut, you are an elder. Don't forget that every man has his own price.
I think you're right.
I'm always right. I think I should be rushing home now. My family will be missing me.
I know, but I thought you were going to stay and eat the food that is being prepared. At least eat before you go.
I got married to a new wife and she knows how to cook. So, let me get home.
I called this meeting to discuss some important issues with you as the special advisor to your father. I think responsibilities lies on me to make sure his back is peaceful. I'm saying this because of the throne. Some people want to take away this throne from this family. We should therefore unite.
He is strong.
Emenike, come back here. Emenike, come back here.
Allow him.
Power to do and unknown. He is the prince. You must call him your Lord. 'Cause he can take your life in a snap.
Emenike! What's wrong? I should leave you alone.
Emenike, man up. Eh? Man up now. This thing is not real. It's all in your mind. This man is gone. He's gone. He cannot torment you. Man up. To achieve something, you need to have a strong heart. Man up, guy.
He is strong, he is powerful, he has the power to do and undo.
Why the long face?
Things are getting out of hand, Baba. That old man who calls himself my father's advisor is trying so hard to convince me to give up the throne.
Why?
Because he believes that the throne rightfully belongs to Ghana.
I thought your father pronounced you his successor.
Well, that's life. When you make progress, generally people are not happy.
Prince, so what are you gonna do now? Give it up?
Never. I think it's time for that old man to meet my father.
No. Prince, we shouldn't do that. That's gonna raise some eyebrows. Okay, see, why don't you talk to the chief priest, since he has the final say?
I think you have a point. I will speak to the chief priest. But if that does not work, somebody dies.
When he is addressing.
The eyes of the gods.
Eyes of the gods. We greet you.
Oti.
Welcome. Thank you. Actually, we've been to the shrine searching for you, but you were not there.
Yes.
And for the urgency of why we want to see you, we decided to come to the house to check you up.
Yes.
And we're very happy that we're seeing you now.
Welcome.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
The gods of the eyes, the eyes of the gods.
Eyes of the gods. Eyes of the gods.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Eyes of the gods.
What can possibly make the owl to leave its nest at this time of the day?
The eyes of the gods. Hunger and anger.
In that case, you're welcome to my home once again, elders of Ogbale Kingdom.
Thank you. Once again. Thank you.
Thank you. Eyes of the gods. You know it is said that when you see the toad hopping about in the afternoon, it's either it's after something or something is after it. Good. We are here in connection with the throne, with the vacant throne. There is tension in the palace over the successor.
But I thought King Ozo named his successor before departing to the great beyond.
Oh, yes, the eyes of the gods. But our laws forbid a king from making such a crucial decision when he is angry. He was under the influence of anger.
This is not good for the throne.
Good. And that's exactly why we are here. We want you that we make the choice of who is going to be the successor ourselves, since we are very close to them.
The elders of Ogwale Kingdom. It sounds to me as if you already have a choice.
Oh yes, we have. We want growth and development in our kingdom. And we have someone who can just give us that. And we promise to reward you handsomely for your input.
Yes.
Ndoka, Oti, you both know that this is a spiritual issue. I am only a spokesperson for the gods. So we just have to wait until we hear from them. I can only try to convince them. But finally, the decision is entirely theirs to make.
Please, convince them. You can convince them. With this, try to convince them. Convince them.
Yes.
Yes, this will help in convincing them.
And we know the gods will take this.
They are convinced. Thank you. And more will come in due course. More will come.
The eyes of the gods, you have to take our leave now. That is why we are here looking for you.
Please. You have done well, that's all.
Thank you.
Go in peace.
Great as you call.
Sitting here all alone with this face, with this look.
Which look? I'm just out here. I'm trying to receive some fresh air.
Oh, that's nice.
I saw you walking in. What happened to your car?
Oh, is that the mechanic?
Is it faulty?
Not at all. Just servicing.
Oh. Well, you should just ask me to come and pick you.
Oh, baby, I didn't want to bother you.
Okay. Come on, you don't bother me very. Huh?
Baby, I saw your younger brother Emenike in the company of a group of girls, and they were looking so crazy. If time is not taken, that your brother is going to bring shame to this royal family.
You see, I'm tired. You know, he's going around telling people that he's the next king.
Next king? Oh, in that case, if your father wants him as his successor, then just let go.
No, I can't. Wait, is it because I am disabled?
No, baby. I am just concerned about your life. Your life is more important than the throne.
Listen, I can't hand over the throne to him. I can't allow it. I mean, the whole essence of fighting for the physically disadvantaged people has been defeated then.
You're right, baby. But I just want you to be very, very careful. That's all.
I will.
You promise?
I promise.
Papa, don't you think the gods may be angry at you? Because, Papa, it seems you're taking bribe and oppressing others.
Baby. No. I do not think the gods will be angry with me. I am only doing their bidding to get my reward. I want what is best for my family.
Papa, don't you think I'm still too young to get married?
You are not too young to get married, eh? And even if you were young, don't you think it is the greatest dream of every young girl of your age in Ogwale Kingdom to become a queen of the land? Eh? Can you imagine the amount of wealth in that family? I want the best for you, my child, eh? And I want you to become queen of the land so that everybody, even me, your father, when I will come to the palace, I will come and say, Your Highness, I want the best for you, my child, eh?
Thank you, Papa. Papa, let me check what I'm cooking. I'm coming.
Hurry, eh?
So, how did the ritual go?
We are indeed favored by the gods, my daughter.
The gods of praise.
Yes, you see, imagine how they praise. You see, they say when a child washes his hands clean and well, he will eat with elders.
That's true, Papa. That's true.
Are you finished yet?
No, almost done.
Okay.
I'm coming. Let me boil water for you to bake.
Okay. Hurry, eh?
Emenike, where were you last night?
My friend, I'm not answerable to you. Just let me be.
But I'm only trying to show concern.
Show concern to who? Am I your son? Huh? Don't you have other people to show concern? What can you do me? Not answerable to you.
Emenike.
Listen, when kings are trying to think and focus, commoners like you, shut up.
Okay. Let's go ahead.
The great Asikhia, you are welcome. We on our way for the message from the oracle. elders and princes of Ogbali kingdom. The gods are very angry with you. Yes. Since Odili rejected the crown, elders of Ogbali kingdom, you should prepare Emenike for his coronation immediately.
He is powerful. He has the power to do and undo. He is the prince. You must call him.
Here comes the discredited prince. Tell me, beautiful girl, should I give him a position in my administration?
I don't think so.
You don't think so?
Yeah.
Emenike, why have you chosen to bring our family name to disrepute?
Oh, please. You talk about family when deep down you hate me so much. And that is because Father chose me instead of you. You're not just physically challenged, you're also mentally challenged, and you are ungrateful.
Will you shut up? Listen, one more word from you again, and I'll feed your carcass to the vultures.
Really? Why don't you do it now? I'm waiting. Oh, I've forgotten. You are physically challenged. You can't even get it. Sorry. See?
What's the problem? I'll kill somebody. I will kill somebody. Somebody should warn me. I'll kill somebody. Easy. Take it easy. So, someone should warn Emenike. Should warn that crazy boy.
So, what has he done this time?
Really? Not once, not twice. Emenike has insulted my condition, as well as teasing me with the throne.
See, Ugonna, you worry too much. Emenike will never be a king. Never!
Well, listen, Oguli, I think we should just stick to what the oracle has said. We should just let it be.
What? You mean you're not going to put up a fight? To challenge his decision? Eh?
Listen, Oguli, you don't have to fight the oracle. Let's just allow things be like the oracle has said. Besides, we just need to allow peace reign for now, okay?
Like, are you sure about this?
Maybe I'm sure.
You're so sure about this?
I'm sure, but I will deal with Emenike.
But listen, you see Emenike, when next he insults you, I will make sure I will beat the living daylight out of him. What is it? Today Emenike, tomorrow Emenike? It's okay. Let's just go inside. Let's go. It's okay.
Come out here! You bloody cheat! Come out here!
Who are those disturbing the peace of the gods?
Will you come out here? Asikhia?
I know. It is you both who will disturb my peace.
What nonsense are you talking? So you took my money, and after taking my money, you went ahead and proclaimed that stupid boy king.
But I told you both that was a decision entirely up to the gods. Spare us that, you liar.
Do you know that the gods do not accept murderers?
As kings.
That boy killed his father.
Yes.
How did you both know that? Hmm? Oh! You thought that you are the only spiritualist in the world?
So, tell me, why did you go ahead to proclaim that boy as king? Why?
Well, let us say I had a better offer.
You had a better offer. Now, where's my money? Give me my money now. Give me that money. You know how much? Give me that money or I will do something dangerous to this house.
Give him his money.
I said, give me my money before I do something dangerous. Give me that money.
Bring that money.
You are laughing over my money. Do you know how much? Give me that money or I will strangle you to death.
Yes.
You think you can compare a lion by mere backing? Go and take advantage of the situation. Go! Go!
Asikhia, I'm good. Welcome.
Yeah, darling. What are you doing outside?
Nothing much. But yeah, you fuck up. You know that you're going to sleep and you didn't tell me.
I'm so sorry. I'm sorry, dear.
Sorry about that.
Girl, have you heard what is going on in town? The crown prince will be installed as the new king.
Oh, that. I know about that, but it's none of my business.
Look, the coronation ceremony is live on Facebook. Is this not the guy that said he was a prince?
Oh my God. This is unbelievable. What will happen to the twins now?
Who cares about the twins? We blew our chance of being with the king.
No, you blew our chances. I would have accepted him, but you called him a liar.
Oh, so it's now my fault. Didn't you call him cheap? How I wish I had a second chance with him again.
So, how are you going to get that chance?
With the second guy, his spokesperson. I know where he hangs out.
Wow, that is my girl. You know you're smart. You're very smart. So when are we going to, meet him? When are we going
to do what? Girl, relax. I'm going solo on this. Let me have my phone. Thank you.
Please, wait. You're being selfish here. You're being so selfish. But don't worry. You want to play the game? We are going to play the game.
Arụsị ala niile bịa gbara mmanya. Ndị mmụọ na ndị egede bịa gbara mmanya. Gods of our fathers, it has pleased you to bring us to this day. And as your son Emenike has promised, so shall he do. Gods of our fathers, bless the throne, protect the throne. Emenike, it is well with you. Your reign shall be longer than your forebears, and you shall fulfill the oath you have done to protect your people and the customs and traditions of this kingdom. You shall fulfill the promises and the vows you have made to the gods to protect your people and the traditions of this kingdom. King Emenike, it is time for you to sit on the throne of your fathers.
Please calm down. Calm down. I'm trying to think.
What is there to think? Mazendoka, what is there to think? When that idiot is now the king, what is there to think?
We have a lot to think. We have a lot to think about. Now listen to me. In the first place, we cannot assassinate him now. Let's pretend as if we support him. And by the time we will win his trust, then we will dethrone him.
Well, I think I like the second idea. That way we will know his strength and weaknesses, and then we will strike.
Good. Good. You are now with me. Thank you for the drinks. I'll be going now.
But look at the rain is still showering. Why don't you wait a little bit for the rain to stop before you leave?
The rain?
Yes.
The rain is not hot water. When I get to my house, even if I get wet, it will change.
He is strong, he is powerful, he has the power to do and undo. He is the prince, you must know.
Emenike, since when did you start addressing me by my name?
Since my father died, and graciously he left you all to me.
Are you all right? Is something wrong with you?
Something is wrong with me. I am in love with
It's the same thing. Who they tell you this thing?
Hello. How you doing? Do you recognize me?
How can I forget the face that rejected my kingdom?
Oh look, I'm so sorry. I couldn't have accepted the invitation after my friend rejected it.
Don't worry, I understand. It's okay. So, how do I help you?
See, I want you to link me up with him.
Of course it's too late.
Come on. Can't you see? I've been tripping ever since then.
That's a shut up there. You think I don't know you're now liking him because he's now the king? See, if at all I decide to change my mind, it's gonna cost you.
So how much? Name it. I will pay any amount.
Diego, do you have money? If it's about money, my king spoils me with that all the time.
So, what's your price?
I want this succulent body all over the bed. You know what I'm saying? Open your leg, let me show you how real men do this thing. You understand me?
Are you mad? Are you insane? I can see that you are sick.
Okay. Anyways, that's my offer. Is either you take it or you leave it.
I will take it. But please, it has to be a secret. I don't want anybody to know about it.
I don't even understand what you take me for. What do you take me for? You think I'm a fool? Come, we can go do this thing now. Let's just enjoy ourselves. See, my kind of person, you understand? I like it fire for fire. You understand? See, just leave those ones to me. Let me enjoy this beautiful body. Let's go.
Papa, what is it? It's obvious something is troubling my father. Papa, it won't be a bad idea to share with me, you know.
Baby, it's been a while since I met that boy, Emenike King. Yet, he has been unable to fulfill any of his promises to me.
Papa, if you ask me, I would say you should forget about Prince Emenike. Yes, because he doesn't look like someone that will honor his words.
In that case, if he thinks he can make life unfair to me, then I, Asikhia, will make life miserable for him. I will bring his entire world crumbling down.
Papa, it's okay.
It's not okay.
Please, Papa, calm down. It's okay. Okay?
Emenike.
Papa.
Baby.
Papa, it's okay.
Well, I thought you said you were going to your friend to change your hair, to make your hair. Why didn't you change your hairstyle? You did not change the hairstyle.
Papa, have you forgotten this is my favorite hairstyle?
Your favorite hairstyle?
Yes, no, all I have to do is just renew it.
Every time the same hairstyle.
Papa.
You should try and change your hairstyle.
Papa, have you eaten?
The food you left in the...
Papa, I did not finish it.
I left a little. Do you still want to eat?
Papa, let me go and look for that food. If you eat my food.
Baby.
Based on the last discussion we had, I am not interested.
I'm sorry, it's too late.
I know, but you can still do something for me.
You'll be handsomely rewarded if you link me up with the king, please.
That sounds good. That sounds really good, but my reward has to be now. And my reward is you.
Okay, I don't have any problem with that, but link me up with the king first, please.
It's like you're not listening to me. I can't have you after the king has had you.
Okay, but how am I sure that after you had me, you link me up with the king?
And now am I also sure? And when you've gotten what you want from the king, you give me what I want.
I assure you, I promise you that I'll do that, and I will. Please.
Is it like you're not listening to me, or I said I want my reward now. If you're not giving me now, then there is no deal.
Okay. When do you want that?
What are you talking about when? See, I don't have time. I don't have time. Let's do it now.
Now?
Let's do it now. See, all we have to do is just go to the toilet and do this thing. This thing is not something we have to argue about or start collaborating all about. You understand what I'm saying?
Toilet!
Okay, you don't like the toilet. We can go somewhere else. This is something me and you will enjoy. See, hope you can bend very well. You know I like it from the back. It's so succulent when it's from the back like that. So let's do this thing sharp. No time though. You understand?
How's God? What a surprise. What do I help you?
There will be no need to offer me anything, King Emenike. I have only come to remind you of your pledge. It is time for you to take your wife.
Oh. I've not forgotten my pledge. Believe me, but you see, since I became king, I've had a lot of issues to deal with. Allow me to settle down, handle all those issues, then I'll come and take my wife, okay?
You know the consequences, King Emenike. You know what will happen if you do not keep to your word. You know.
I will not fail. I will not fail. Enjoy your stay.
Mazi Fabian, why have you called us here?
Relax. Whatever reason he's called us here must be very important.
Then it better be. It better be very important.
Elders, don't sit unconcerned. What children eat the forbidden meat? Yes, they be considered to have eaten the meat.
Go straight to the point. Please go straight to the point.
All I'm saying is that we cannot sit and watch our kingdom collapsing under the new king.
How do you mean?
Can't you see the way he's running the face of this kingdom? We, the elders, are no longer relevant in his administration.
That's exactly why I summoned this meeting. So that we can think of our next line of action.
Oh no, what can we do? Can't you see he has been honored by the gods? We can advise him. Advice? Will he listen?
Let us stop beating about the bush. Listen or no listen. Why don't we impeach him?
Impeach?
Yes.
Yes. Not just impeachment. Let us dethrone him.
That's right.
Yes, dethrone him.
Elders, remember he has the powers to dissolve this council. So, we must tread with caution. Let's talk to him first. His response will tell us the next line of action.
I agree.
Whether response or no response, whether impeachment or dethronement, all what we want to do is to get him out of the throne, remove him from that throne immediately, and we can do it.
Let's dethrone him.
Yes.
You're welcome, my good friend. Indeed, being a king is good.
I can tell Your Highness.
My boy, power is sweet. Everybody in this kingdom is now answerable to me.
Of course, Your Highness. Your Highness, you remember those two girls that rejected us by the roadside some time back?
Which girls?
Same girls we offered to give a lift, and they ended up insulting us.
Oh, those girls. What about them?
Your Highness, they are ready to give themselves to you just for your amusement. All you have to do is choose one.
And why do I have to choose one, Marble? I am a king now. I want both of them.
Wise choice, Your Highness. Wise choice. I will make them ready for you if that's what you want.
Hurry.
He is the prince. You must know him, you know.
We will rather lobby the elders, bring them to our side, and then overthrow him.
Can they all be trusted?
Well, you have a point there. So, what do we do?
Let's play on both sides. With that, we're safer.
How do you mean?
Don't worry. I will brief you later.
I will reward you handsomely if the king marries me.
Keep your reward to whoever needs it. Okay?
I know you are contented with what you have, but you wouldn't refuse a gift from the queen to be, would you?
Hello? Oh, okay. Do you know what you do? Just meet me at the palace. Just call me when you're at the gate, okay? Yes, call me when you're at the gate. Alright.
And who was that?
Can you just stop being inquisitive? You can't be queen with this attitude, though.
I'm sorry for asking.
And as you are going to the palace, make sure you behave yourself.
Okay.
You understand me?
No problem.
Oh no, don't!
Why?
You only sit when you're told to do so. And remember to bow when you see the king. Your Highness. Yes, indeed.
Your Highness. Good day, Your Highness.
Good day. Lydia.
Yes.
I never thought our paths will cross again.
Yes, Your Highness. I'm sorry for the way I spoke to you the other day. I'm here to tell you I'm sorry and show you my love. Also tell you how much you sense.
Show me what you got.
Yes, Your Highness. Really? Okay. What is she doing here?
Oh, come on. She wants the same thing you want.
What?
Hey, relax. Huh? Take it easy. Don't be greedy. I'll taste her. If she's not as good as you are, then you'll come back.
And that will only happen when I am very good.
Go.
Your Highness.
Respect your king. It's an order. Go. Margot. Any more? Any other uncle?
What you call? You know.
Sweetheart, when am I coming again?
Coming back to where? Huh? Coming back to where? Get out of my house.
What?
Of course you heard me. What were you thinking? That I was going to make you my queen? After you insulted me on the streets? Huh? Get out of here before I change my mind. Get out.
I will make sure you...
And you do not point at a king. Are you drunk? Asikhia Anakwa. Get out.
You must pay for this. I'll make sure of that.
Your Highness, upsetting them might hurt you.
Hurt me? How?
Your Highness, they might open their mouth wide or end up going to the press, and you know what that means.
To the press and say what? They have nothing on me.
Your Highness, I'm saying let's just try and avoid unnecessary scandals. Yes, Your Highness.
In that case, Mabo, silence them permanently.
He is strong, he is powerful, He has the power to do and unknown. He is the prince, you must call him your Lord. 'Cause he can take your life in a snap.
So Elder Fabian and co are ganging up against me.
Your Highness, they are not just ganging up against you. They want to dethrone you.
Dethrone me? And what did you do?
Your Highness, what could we have done? We came here to tell you to be very careful with them.
All right. Thank you very much for the information. Truly appreciate it.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Highness.
I want to assure you that nobody can dethrone me. No being, human or spirit, can dethrone me. And for your information, I shall reward you.
Thank you very much, Your Highness. That reward is very important. Thank you very much. You see, we only want the sanity of our kinship preserved.
Oh. And I appreciate it.
Thank you.
For that, I say you will be rewarded.
Thank you very much. I like that word, reward. I say we have to leave now.
Oh, no. Take your time. Enjoy my company. I can get you young women.
Oh, Your Highness! That would be nice.
Beautiful little girl.
Yeah, good. Good to refresh our blood, our old blood. Refresh it.
Yes.
Stop right there, you old fools.
What? Old fools? How could you insult the Council of Elders?
Which Council of Elders? Huh? Which Council of Elders, my friend? Shut up there. We're council. From this moment, your Council of Elders is dissolved.
What?
Yes. You think I don't know your plan to dethrone me?
What is he saying?
Listen to me, old man. I do not want to see you in this palace again. Turn around right now and get out of my palace. Guards, push them out.
He is powerful. He has the power to do and undo. He is the prince. You must call him your own.
Please go.
If they come in here again without my authorization, kill them.
You dare not be seated when he is standing. You dare not cough when he is addressing. His venom is like the serpent, and his anger roars like a lion. 'Cause he is strong, he is powerful, he has the power to do and know.
Your Highness, I am sorry to have barged in on you like this, but it is a serious matter that has brought me. It's been a while now since you became king, and I have fulfilled my end of the bargain. It is time for you to fulfill yours. So I brought your wife.
Oh, no. I have the gods wait. You cannot rush me. Huh? You will not rush me. told you to give me some time. I just became king. I need to settle into this new position. Okay? And then I'll come for her and perform the necessary rites. Give me time.
It has not been long you became king. But I have given you time. So, your wife, please take care of her. Leave it.
Look, I you. Why are you smiling? Close your teeth. God!
Yes, my king.
Take this lady to the guest room. And call me Mabo.
Yes, my king.
Your Highness, you sent for me.
Yes, I sent for you. There's a problem.
What is the problem?
The chief priest just brought his daughter to me.
Is that a problem?
Of course that's the problem. Mabo, I'm a king. I cannot live with a woman who I'm not married to.
Your Highness, I see no trouble in that. Just get married to her as soon as possible.
Mabo, I do not like her. I do not like her. There's no way I'll make her my queen. It's not my type.
Your Highness, just get married to her. After all, you can marry as many wives as you want.
Mabo, you're not even listening to me. Have you seen this girl before? Huh? You should. She's not my type. She's not good enough to be my queen. There's no way I'm going to make her my queen.
Okay. Then why don't you send her back?
That's the problem. I cannot do that because I do not want to annoy Asikhia. You know what he can do.
Okay. If you give me a little time, I'm sure I can hatch up a plan.
Are you sure?
Very sure.
He is strong, he is powerful, he has the power to do and undo. He is the prince, you must call him your Lord, 'cause he can take your life in a snap. You dare not be seated when he
Don't tell me you're a coward, Ichi. Sit down, it will not bite you.
Your Highness, there's fire on the mountain.
What happened?
Your Highness, Elder Fabian is planning with his friends to use their dogs to come and attack you.
You look very angry. What's bothering you?
It's not your business. Let me be.
But Your Highness...
I just said it's not your business. Let me be.
Go in, search the room, search the parlor, toilet, kitchen, and everywhere. Make sure you find him. I did not see anybody. You can't find him. Okay, check the back, check the back.
What is that?
Where's my father?
Your father just left now.
Hey!
Your father just left now. Please.
See, there's problem.
What kind of problem?
I saw the guards looking for my father.
The guards?
Because they're very angry. I think I want to do something very bad.
I told you.
Oh.
I told you. Okay. Eh? Are you leaving? Eh? Hey. Let me see what you have.
My king, I couldn't find him.
What do you mean you couldn't find him? Did you search the house very well?
Yes, my king.
What about his daughter?
She was not there too.
Go back there. Comb the entire kingdom. Make sure you find him. Bring him to me alive.
Yes, my king.
Do not come back here without him.
Yes, my king.
I went to the hospital.
Hope all is well.
Yes, I went for checkup.
Okay.
What's this?
You're pregnant?
Yes, honey.
This is good news.
Good now. Guess what? I found it. I found it.
Please, can you join us?
Join you guys and do what?
Join us to celebrate.
What are we celebrating?
I am going to be a father.
Really?
Yes.
Ukunda! Wow. Congratulations.
Thank you.
I must say that's cause for celebration.
Oh, yes.
Ukunda, on a more serious note, I think it's time for me to find myself a woman. Wow.
Goodness. I'm so happy.
Ukunda. See, I know it's time for celebration. Just take a look at this. Look at it. Look at it. Baby, my daughter.
Papa.
I am so happy to see you.
Thank you, Papa. But Papa,
Hmm?
Papa, I told you this will not work. He doesn't even look at my direction since I went to the palace to stay.
Why? When you're looking this beautiful, eh? Your face radiating like the morning sun dazzling, eh? And he wouldn't like you. Why?
Papa, is it not obvious? Papa, he does not like me. Really?
Or did you do anything wrong?
No, I didn't do anything. Papa, you know me. Am I not a good girl? I
Yes.
didn't do anything.
You're my daughter. I brought you up myself. I know you.
I didn't do anything. Nothing. He just doesn't like me.
Don't worry. I will give you something to use.
Papa, is that necessary? See, Papa, we can forget about him. I'll find myself another man. He's not the only man on earth.
He is not just a man. He is the king. Or don't you want to become the queen of Owale Kingdom? Eh?
Papa, I want to be the queen, but...
Bam! 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 Eh? Don't worry. Eh? Don't worry. He will love you. Eh? You will use what I will give to you to attract him and induce him to love you. Eh? Baby, wait. Let me go inside.
Okay, Papa. Easy.
Yes. I'll get you water to drink, eh?
Papa, you have to do that.
Okay, don't worry.
Papa, I'm not a visitor here.
No, you are the king's wife.
Good morning, Your Highness.
Should leave the cleaning for the maidens.
Oh, it's my responsibility to keep my matrimonial home clean. Please don't be offended, Your Highness.
Alright, if it pleases you. I think you should start the cleaning from my bedroom.
It's a pleasure, Your Highness.
Baby, where are you? We've been waiting for you and Prince Odile. Okay. Yeah, we're waiting. Alright, baby.
Aisha, was that Gunna?
Yes, Gunna. He said they are on their way back.
Okay. Yeah, that reminds me. The situation in Owale Kingdom. Things are getting very bad. And if nothing is done, I'm afraid that people are going to run away from that land. What is Ugonna and Odile planning to do about this?
Are you trying to say the kingdom is going to collapse?
Yes, it will definitely collapse if they don't actually stand up to take back that which rightfully belongs to them. The kingdom will collapse.
How can he do that while he's still on exile? Besides, if the oracle says he's the chosen one, then...
The oracle. Have you asked yourself this question, what if the chief priest lied? Because from the information I gathered, I've come to understand that Emenike is planning to make the daughter of the chief priest his queen. So, what if the chief priest lied?
Sorry, Your Highness. He tried to rape me. Yes.
You shut up! You think I'm blind? He tried to rape you. I found you on top of him. What are you saying?
My king.
How could you? How could you, my boy? You are my best friend. My trusted friend. How could you do this to me? How could you betray me? How could you? One more word from you and you are dead. By this time tomorrow, I do not want to see both of you in this kingdom again. In this land! You are banished! Shut up!
Sorry,
One more word from you and dead.
Hey! Your Highness! I've left the palace like this. This girl, how did it happen? How did it happen?
So how will he go back to the kingdom?
Battle. He needs to fight for that which belongs to him. And Emenike only understands the language of battle. So battle.
So, where are the men for the battle?
Don't worry about that. I'll take care of that. I've made arrangements already for it. And yes, before I forget, that reminds me. Emenike is not an ordinary man. Before we go for this battle, there is a place I'm going to take Prince Ugonna and Prince Orderly to. They need to fortify themselves. Because Emenike is not just an ordinary man. For them to fight him, they need to fortify themselves spiritually and physically. So I have a place. He's a good medicine man. I'll have to take them to that place and don't bother yourself.
You will fortify them?
Yes.
You have been banished from this kingdom. What are you still doing here? Mabo, my friend, sit down. How did you pull that off, Mabo?
You know I am the master planner. All I had to do was just... Hi, Your Highness. I brought a snack.
I sent the maid, not you.
Yes, I sent the maid on an errand on behalf of the king, so I said I had to bring it personally.
Oh, that's so sweet of you. Thank you.
Sure. You're dropping.
Oh, bring it.
Your Highness, please can I ask you a question?
Sure.
Okay. We've been here for a while. I've not heard anything about your marriage or your coronation. Is anything a problem?
Well, I'll leave that to the king to decide. Can I confide in you?
Sure, why not?
Sit. Well, you see, I'm a woman in need. and I need to be laid. Can you please make love to me?
Make love to you? If you want that, why don't you go to the king?
I can't wait for the king to get back. I'm so afraid.
I trust you, my boy. Where did you get the charm to hypnotize her?
I got from Asikhia. Little did he know I was going to use it on his daughter.
Really? That's very wise of you.
Did you see the medicine man?
Oh yes, I saw him. And I made sure I got all the powers that I need from him. Right now, I can match Asikhia squarely. And then I took care of him.
How?
Hey! Jojo! 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 Take this. All the powers you need are in there. Use it against all your enemies. Strike. Your war will be over. Always remember to tie the red one I gave to you on your neck. And don't forget to always wear the waist chain. They will always protect you. It's done. Arwana where Nando. Jania.
After he gave me the powers, I made sure no other person can go to him for such powers, or powers even more than mine.
My king, I love that.
Relax, my boy. Drink with me.
I saw 3 animals. One looks like the father, the other female as the mother, and the little one that looks like the baby. As they were going along the bush side, all of a sudden, the one that looks like their baby grabbed the bigger one that looks like the father and killed the animal.
Sister, hi. You really need to take it easy on yourself. It is not the end of the world, okay? My dreams in the palace. My dreams. Baby animal suddenly killed the bigger animal that looks like the father. All of a sudden, was making an attempt to climb on the female animal that looks like them. Hey! Why haven't I thought of this? Emenike. Prince Emenike killed his father and was trying to take advantage of me, his stepmom. This is a clear vision. Ha! Emenike, you will never know peace in your life. Your generations will never know peace, Emenike. You can never do all these atrocities and go scot-free. I am coming back for you. It's a must. Sister, remember that vengeance is of the Lord. Allow God to fight for you. Please.
You think you can use my daughter and dump her, You must fulfill your side of the bargain. Else!
Else what? I ask you, else what? What are you going to do? I cannot marry your unfaithful daughter. My deal with you is off.
Emenike. I can see you have built enough courage, enough guts to challenge me. Emenike.
That's your best shot. I guess you're done. My turn. Send my regards to my father. Guards, release the lions to feed on his corpse.
Why should I calm down, Dad?
You said everything's under control.
But I just read that there is a new king.
Listen, my son, just listen. It is part of our plans. We want to win the trust of the people before we dethrone him. Yes?
I don't give a damn about your plan, Dad. Listen, Dad. I am coming back home this weekend. And by the time I get back, my throne should be ready.
What? This weekend?
Good day, Dad.
No. J-boy. Hello? J-boy. He's coming back this weekend. That means I have to do something very fast. And I mean very fast.
Maziot! Maziot! Oti! Maziot! Oti! Maziot!
Great Ajabani, we need your help.
I know why you are here.
Nemi, zasneke snaba menam yogo yogo. Ae, oh bong, zasneke snaba menam yogo yogo. Nemi, zasneke snaba menam yogo yogo.
Your brother, the proclaimed king, came here seeking for powers.
It's done. Arwana nwere na ndo. Janie.
and you let him go.
Yes, I let him go. Just because I wanted him to enjoy his last days on earth. But I know his reign as king will soon come to an end.
So you mean you can't do anything about it?
You have. You are to end his reign as king.
Oh, well, how do we do that?
Nemi, Zasneke snabamina myogo yogo. Ae, oh bong, Zasneke snabamina myogo yogo.
Ọnụ kara aka na-atọ agbọ dị ka ọ na-asụ ụsọ. Emerụọ ọnụ ya.
I am a source of powers. But I cannot give to you more than what I've given to him. But then, I will fortify you so that you can neutralize his powers. Then, the physical battle is between you and him.
Then, we will take it.
Nemi, Zasneke snabamina myogo yogo. Ae, oh bong, Zasneke snabamina myogo yogo.
Now, let the fortification begin.
Edochie, what is it?
Boy, you have been a thorn on my flesh. I can no longer tolerate this imprudence. I think it's time to end it.
Season 2. Feed them to the lions.
This way.
Nemi, Zasneke snabamina myogo yogo. Ae, oh bong, Zasneke snabamina myogo yogo. Nemi, Zasneke snabamina myogo yogo. Ae, oh bong, Zasneke snabamina myogo yogo.
Ọbasa ụzọ ọrụ nwa amaka ndị amabiri bafuru kpara okpu. Ezebụla akụ na-ekele mie. Igwe mmụmasa onye nụrụ olu m agbatakwa ọsọ. N'ọnụ kara aka na-atọ agbọ dị ka ọ na-asụ ụsọ.
It's done. It is done. But then, you will spend your night at the cemetery. Then,
tomorrow, victory shall be yours. Go!
Zasnake snaba minam yogo yogo. Oh bong, zasnake snaba minam yogo yogo.
Yeah, this is indeed a good news. Ijoma just gave birth. She gave birth to a bouncing baby boy. Yes. So I want you to go inform the entire kingdom that there will be a massive celebration here at the palace tomorrow. That a new prince is being born. That is it. Alright. Oh! Chukwu Okike. Dalo. Thank you.
You must call him your Lord, 'cause he can take life in a snap. You dare not be seated when he is standing. You dare not cough when he is addressing. His venom is like the serpent, and his anger was like a lion. 'Cause he is strong, he is powerful, he is the power to do and undo. He is the prince, you must call him your Lord, 'cause he can take the life in his hands. He is strong, he is powerful, he has the power to do and undo. He is the prince, you must call him your Lord, 'cause he can take your life in